Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese easily. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients: fresh milk, rennet, and salt. Begin by gently heating your milk to around 90 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is crucial for the rennet to work effectively. Once the milk reaches the correct temperature, you'll add the rennet and let it sit undisturbed. This allows the milk to coagulate and form solid curds, which is the first step in creating delicious homemade cheese. After your curds have set firmly, it's time to cut them. Use a long knife to slice the curds into small, uniform 1-inch cubes. Next, gently stir and heat the curds again. This process helps to expel more of the whey, resulting in a firmer cheese. Once the curds have reached the desired consistency, drain them thoroughly. Then, you'll press the curds into a mold, giving your cheese its final shape and texture. Now that your cheese is pressed, it's time for salting. Salting not only adds flavor, but also helps to preserve the cheese and draw out any remaining moisture. Ensure you salt the cheese evenly on all sides. Following salting, the cheese enters its aging phase. Place it in a cool, humid environment, ideally between 50 and 55 degrees Fahrenheit, for several weeks. This aging process allows the flavors to develop and the cheese to mature beautifully. Congratulations! After patiently waiting through the aging process, your homemade cheese is now ready to be enjoyed. You've created a delicious and satisfying product right in your own kitchen. Serve your cheese with your favorite crackers, fresh fruit, or a glass of wine for a delightful experience. It's truly rewarding to taste something you've made from scratch. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty and other great products.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.